Local news for Friday the 24th of March. Buses will be replacing some trains on the Wairarapa line between Wellington and Upper Hutt tomorrow and Sunday as work takes place upgrading the Petone substation as well as essential track maintenance between Petone and Silverstream. A Carterton My Lotto player is $1 million better off after winning Lotto Wednesday night. Powerball wasn't struck. And an OECD report on New Zealand's environmental performance reinforces the need for regional councils to work with communities on managing fresh water, says Chris Laidlaw, Greater Wellington Regional Council Chair. Mr Laidlaw says it's also fundamentally important to understand that the quality of water in streams and rivers is not just a result of farming practices. Urban contamination is also a major contributor, and the programs of action will be a mix of urban and rural actions. He says we're currently working with communities in Wairarapa and around Porirua Harbour to make informed decisions about managing land and fresh water for future generations. In sport, weather permitting, it's finals time for both cricket and softball. The Prem 3 men in the Giants and Presidents will both play Wainui at Fraser Park tomorrow at 12 and 2 respectively. And it's the Bidwell Cup final Saturday and Sunday with Red Star set to play Greytown. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.